So again, now we're going to ramp it up a little bit. So if I'm given the function f of x is equal to 3 minus x all over 7, and I'm asked to find the inverse of this, that process is still the same. I'm going to let y equal f of x. So I say y equals 3 minus x all over 7. Now, Mr. Adams, one thing I want to point out to you guys, does Mr. Adams need to write down the formula? Do I need to write down the algorithm? Do I need to write down every step? No, I'm a math teacher. Why do you think I write down every step? Well, because what I'm trying to do is get you guys to see it, right? The reason I've memorized these steps is not because I've locked myself in my bedroom for hours and studied this. It's just every example problem that I've done, I've written out all the steps. That's how I've memorized it. That's how I've learned it. Eventually, you don't have to write out all these steps, but I want you to see it as we're doing the problem because it's really only 4 steps every time, right? Anyways, step 3, we solve for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by 7, multiply this by 7. I get 7x is equal to 3 minus y because the 7 will cancel with this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. I get 7x minus 3 is equal to negative y. Going to multiply everything by a negative 1. That gives me negative, wait, let me write this differently. So that would be y equals negative 7x plus 3, right? And so now that I've got that done, now I do step 4. We're going to let y equal the inverse of f. In other words, we're going to put the inverse function notation in there. And that is it.